What's something people don't know about crows? These birds are smarter than you think. Crows can recognize human faces and remember them for years. They even warn each other about people they don't like. These black-feathered brainiacs also use tools, just like us. Need to crack a nut? They drop it on the road and wait for cars to do the job. And get this, crows can solve puzzles that would stump a 5-year-old. They have their own dialects and can mimic human voices. In some cultures, crows are symbols of transformation and magic. Next time you see a crow, give a nod to one of nature's most incredible creatures. Stay curious, folks. Nugget Nest.